show. I'm Bella. Hello, I'm the dad. Hello, I'm Sunny. And I'm the mum. I'm Pablo, and this is Pato. Quack quack. This is Lula. And Snowball. Let's reach for the sky. Here's Willow the magical unicorn. And here's Teacup. Here's Dolly Plum. Dolly Plum is lots of fun. Feed me, please. Here's Ellie. And Pocoyo. And here is Lily, the baby puppy. It all started in a really dark and gloomy morning where Bella was just walking up and down, left to right around the house. Dad came up and said, "What's the matter, Bella?" "Oh, I'm feeling really lonely right now." "Really? Don't worry. I'll call some friends over." "Yay, thank you." "What sort of friends, Dad?" I'll think about it." Aha, I have an idea. I'll ring them right now. Beep, beep, beep. "Hello guys, can you come over?" "Of course we can." Then Ellie, Pocoyo, Dolly Plum, Lily, Willow, Lula, Puppy, Snowball, Pato, and Teacup came over to the party. And Mum made some yummy food. La 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 la. Oh wow, this is really nice food. What type of food is it, Mum? I'm so curious. Well, I made some French fries, chicken, and drumsticks for you guys to eat together. And I'm making a cake too. Wow, that's really good. What about any games? Games? Willow can help us with that really easily. What would you like, guys? I don't know. Maybe let's play a game of I Spy. Okay. I spy with my little eye something coloured pink. What's pink? Ellie. It's Ellie, the pink elephant. Again, let me go another try. I spy with my little eye something coloured red. Who's red? I see something yummy and that's red. It's Mum carrying all of the delicious yummy food, and the French fries packet is red. Wow, that was a nice game. I know, let's quickly play with Lily, the little puppy dog. Hello. I'm a little puppy. Feed me, please. Don't worry, we'll feed you up. Yummy, yummy. I think I'm full of food. What game should we play now? I think we should play a game of hide and seek. Sunny. Yes? Let's play a game of hide and seek. The people who are looking at our video can find us. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Danny over here and Bella over here. Great, we found them. What should we play? I know. Ellie, let's play Sudoku again. Okay, Ellie, now let's play that game again. We have to spot Ellie, and she has to be camouflaging into something that that's really nice. Where is Ellie?